Hey guys, if you don't fix that problem on time, that will lead to really expensive repairs that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW. It could be practically any BMW model from 1 to 7 series, even 8 series nowadays, and anything from X1 to X7. If you guys feel vibrations when accelerating, stay with us. We'll explain what can easily cause that, what you need to fix, and if not fix on time, how that can lead to really expensive repairs that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us and we'll explain why it's not important. It's very important not to ignore that problem. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix anything, transmissions, engines, bodywork. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too, at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money guys. We'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. So let's continue now. So what do we have here guys? BMW 5 Series that we'll demonstrate on, but even if you have a different guys BMW, it will work as well. Now what can easily cause guys, okay, vibrations when accelerating? Multiple things, at least 5 things that we will talk about, and we'll talk about the most common ones that we notice that start occurring usually on a normally driven BMW. I mean, that sounds funny, but you know what I mean. Between 100 and 110, 20,000 miles. First thing guys, drive shaft flex disc. The flex disc is the rubber bushing that holds the drive shaft either to the transmission side or to the rear differential. They start stretching, they start cracking, that can causes vibrations under acceleration. Number 2, drive shaft support bearing. The bearing itself has a bushing that starts to fail, and that can easily cause guys, okay, vibrations as well. Number 3 guys, make sure you don't have any mechanical problems. No engine light, a good running engine, you don't have misfire, vacuum leaks, anything like that. But another thing that can easily cause that guys will be transmission mounts. On some BMW you will have one, some will have 2. That's a transmission mount. Usually they're pretty simple. They consist of a rubber bushing that holds the transmission in place, and it eliminates vibrations being sent to the body of the car. When exposed to heat and time being old, that rubber will lose its flexibility, will turn more hard, and that will cause vibrations to be sent to the body of the car. Another thing, that bushing can often break, crack, and that can cause vibrations because the transmission will be moving under acceleration. Another thing guys will be engine mounts. Quite often you may notice vibrations when accelerating from bad engine mounts. You have usually on most BMWs 2, one on the left, one on the right side. Now the engine mounts guys, they're complicated on BMWs. Now the function of the engine mount is to keep the engine in place, fixed to the body of the car, and to eliminate the vibrations from the engine so you don't feel them in the body. Because otherwise those vibrations will be amplified through the metal body, and even you will hear noises, engine noises amplified as well. Now that engine mount guys consists of the rubber component, which on that one started failing. You can see the gap here, how big it is. On this one is practically closed, that means it's deformed. And right here it was so deformed that it was practically rubbing on the engine mount bracket. And on the bottom side, that's the hydraulic component. That right here guys consists of hydraulic fluid and multiple chambers that will actually cause the engine mount to eliminate those fine vibrations. Usually the hydraulic component will be the one to start failing at first on the inside, then okay, the other one can start even cracking, and that can cause that problem as well. Now when replacing engine mounts, those are usually the more expensive ones. Then the transmission mount requires more work. Never forget to replace your transmission mount. It's cheap, but if it's about to fail or it failed and you put new engine mounts, the new mounts will not last a long time and you have to do the job again. If you keep driving with bad engine mounts, okay, that can cause stress on the drive shaft flex disc, support bearing. If you have the X-drive system on the front drive shaft, Engine movement from bad transmission and engine mount can cause the engine to move, cause rubbing of rubber hoses, vacuum lines, electrical components. All that can be really costly repairs in the future. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.